Hike and Fly race pack. It's fast, it's clean, and it's tight. Ready. Hey guys, so I hope that helps you get a really nice quick pack for your hike and fly racing. This is a fast method. It doesn't use a concertina bag or any straps or any bags. So my total packing equipment, including my backpack, is 350 grams. So that's super for hike and fly racing. It's not the best for long-term life on your glider. If you really want to care for your glider, put it in a concertina bag. Then you're putting all the ribs right up parallel with each other and nice and flat. But the same principle applies. Put your harness down, put the concertina bag over it, roll it onto the leading edge, and then put that package into your backpack. That way you've got a nice big curve around the top of the leading edge. If you look at this hike and fly pack here, right guys, you think you can do better? Put a link to your video down below or pop it on Facebook and hashtag #FlyWithGreg. I look forward to seeing your attempts at a fast pack and a fast open so that you're ready for the season and you're super fast in your hike and fly racing. Hope that helps you. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Hey, if you learned something from this video, give it a like, and if you'd like to learn more, come and join me on flywithgreg.com. I look forward to answering your questions. Of course, the fastest way to do hike and fly is to not land in the first place. I've got to get back into the air.